Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can bypass Linkvertise 1 hour wait. So there are multiple methods. The first one is disable ad blockers and refresh your page. So it's one of the methods that turn off your ad blocker, clear browse cache for that, just control plus shift plus delete and select cached images or files. After this, just refresh the page, the timer may disappear. So this is the first step or first method. The second method is that just try a different browser or device. Firefox, Edge, Safari sometimes bypass restrictions better than Chrome. So you can change your browser or you can change your data. Like if you are using Wi-Fi, then convert to mobile data and it may help you. The last one, the third method is that you can use a VPN to change your IP. So for that, just connect to a VPN and just switch the server if the time persists. And after that, just reload the page. The Linkvertise tracks IPs. So this may also help you in order to bypass Linkvertise 1 hour wait. Thank you for watching.